This is a BristleBot. It's actually a semi-popular project that I got offline. I'll put the link in the description. Basically, we have a tiny electric motor there, and if you look closely, the camshaft actually has a offset weight on it. So when this spins, because it's not a cylinder, it's going to cause the motor to shake. And of course, that's wired up to this battery terminal. The bottom here is just an ordinary toothbrush. It was important that I used a toothbrush that had those angled bristles, as you see when I push down on it, it sort of goes forward on its own. So we're just gonna utilize that property. I added this front bumper made out of a paper clip just because it seemed a little top heavy, so it had the tendency to fall over. So I'm gonna connect the battery, and we're gonna let the BristleBot go. Oops. Alright, here we go. You see it spins around. It's pretty entertaining. Now it's ironic, when I was actually out shopping for the parts, the toothbrush, paper clips, etc., to make this, I was actually at Target and I ran into this. They call it a nanobot, and if you look, it's actually just the bristles, and then if you look closely, oh, I'm sorry, it's a hex bug nano, I don't know. But if you look at what's on the inside, you actually have a tiny electric motor, and I know it's difficult to see, but it's got the offset weight at the front, and then a switch to switch it on and off, and a battery. So if I turn this on, it basically does the same thing as the BristleBot. You know, maybe it's a bit of a bully, but otherwise, it's pretty cool.